Traveling is fun and exciting, but packing for your trip can be a real pain. Especially if you have a lot of clothes. Airdot is a portable luggage compressor that makes packing easier. To get started, place your clothes into an Airdot compression bag, connect power to the Airdot, and then press the button. In less than 5 minutes, you can free up to 70% more space in your suitcase, so you can take more clothing and items with you on your trip. Airdot compression bags are made from a special embossed material that makes it faster to shrink clothes and fit inside your suitcase. And Airdot compression bags can maintain their seal for your entire trip. Airdot compression bags are very versatile. You can use them with the Airdot compressor, a regular vacuum cleaner, or you can roll them up to remove the air out of the bag. Airdot is travel-friendly and can be left in checked luggage because it has no internal batteries. You can power the Airdot with either portable batteries or external power sources. Airdot is lightweight, convenient, and a great travel companion. Get out there and travel, have fun, and stop worrying about what you're going to take with you. Use the portable luggage compressor that makes traveling easier. Airdot.
Servant? There is a odor. Make it be gone. I want only to smell the sweet breeze from the Nile and the lotus that grows there.
Smells like someone's having cat odor trouble. Hi, whether you're a cat-loving princess or just stuck living with one and forced to clean their cat's mess, you'll want to hear this. Tired of smells that make you think twice before inviting your friends over? Tired of scooping poop for a living? Tired of walking into a nightmare of a public bathroom every time nature calls? I present to you the Aimicat. Tell them what they've won, Bob.
Well, it's a brand new Aimicat, an all-new smart self-cleaning litter box. It does all the dirty work, so you don't have to. Its smart sensors know exactly when it's business time. It then goes to work separating all those clumps and trapping them in a negative pressure sealed chamber. But that's not all. It has a removable carbon filter that scrubs the air clean, thus making sure there's a fresh, clean bed of glitter. Haha, I mean litter waiting for your little guy each and every time they enter.
The Aimicat will save you money, as you'll be using about 50% less cat litter than you used before. And if you've been buying about a box a week of that odor-fighting litter, this thing will pay for itself in no time.
What? This will save us $676 a year.
That's right. And I know some of you have been going through more than a box a week. I'm talking to you, multiple cat owners. You'll also take ease in knowing that one Aimicat can be comfortably shared by up to 4 cats. No more need for multiple boxes spread out all over the house.
So amazing. Oh my God. Won't my cats be afraid of it?
Is your cat a scaredy cat? No problem. They'll be fine. Once they use it, they'll never want to go back to their old litter box.
Will it awaken me? Servant? What was that?
Nothing.
It's no louder than your refrigerator.
Wait a minute. How easy is it to clean?
Super easy, in fact. Just use the one-click cat litter change button, located here. And the cat litter will empty into the lined bin. Should you need to, just pop off the top and spray it down.
Talking about that catwalk set. Come on, meow,
Sorry about that.
Can we afford it?
Can you afford not to?
Order right now, and you'll qualify for the super early bird price of $229. That's a savings of 30% off the MRSP of $329. As an added bonus, we'll bless your Aimicat box absolutely free. Search Aimicat on Kickstarter. That's AIMICAT. Order now.
How does climate change affect your skin? The weather will be more extreme. It will be hotter or colder. It will be more humid or drier. And your skin will be exposed to more UV rays and particles in the air. The beauty industry produces 120 billion pieces of plastics a year, and most of it is single-use plastics. Single-use plastics is a major contributor to greenhouse gases and to climate change. If you look at the back label of the skincare product that you use, chances are the #1 ingredient is water. Water, an ingredient that we already have. Imagine the huge transport footprint. None of this made any sense to us. This is when a group of us, all passionate about social impact and sustainability, decided to create BHuman, the world's first skincare for climate change. We decided to create BCLEAN, 100% plant-based cleanser that gently dissolves oils and unclogs pores. It is a powder-based cleanser, which means lower transport footprint. The packaging is handcrafted from bamboo. Bamboo is a highly sustainable resource, and it takes a bamboo plant 3 to 5 years to mature compared to trees, which take 40 to 60 years. Best of all, refills are available in highly renewable aluminum packaging, which means less single-use plastics. The key active ingredient is acerola cherries from the US, a superfood that reduces oxidative stress from environmental free radicals. It also contains Tanaka, which offers antibacterial benefits. Tanaka is an ancient beauty secret from Thailand and Myanmar for thousands of years. Last but not least, it also contains niacinamide, vitamin 3, which controls sebum and calms the skin. BHuman skincare says a lot about the person that uses it. It says that you believe in climate change. You believe that the world is not flat. You want to leave the world in a better place than when you found it. You want to be the change you want to see. This powder-based cleanser is just the beginning. Help us by pledging to turn this project into a reality and join us on this journey to be human. Introducing Be Human, the world's first skincare designed for climate change.